Congratulations on finishing HTTP. In this video, we're going to go over a summary of what we learned throughout the course. So we went to Mozilla's website and looked at their documentation to talk about the following. So basics, cookies, cross-origin resource sharing, evolution, Mozilla Web Security Guidelines, message, session, connection management, headers, request methods, status response codes, and CSP. Then in section 3, we talked about security. So content security policy, public key pinning, strict transport security, cookie security, X-content type options, X-frame options, XXSS protection, access control, authentication, caching, compression, conditional requests, content negotiation, cookies, range requests, redirects, specification. So, thanks so much for watching the HTTP course. If you have any questions or concern about the content inside the course, or any questions in general about the topic, please let me know. I'll be happy to help you in any way that I can. Until next time, thanks for watching and take care.